listen, do you know that you could possibly be gambling, assuming and thinking you are trading? Yes, of course. Of course, you could possibly be gambling thinking you are trading, because it's two different things entirely. However, I will show you in this video how you can know that you're not a gambler or you're a trader, because there is every tendency being a trader. In the long run, you could become profitability, but if you're a gambler as a starter, in the long run, you will never become profitability. You will never become profitable, because such path is a wrong path, and you keep encountering and meeting luck and luck and luck. You may be making money and losing it back. You keep doing it because it's just a part of what's gambling. I will show you rightly fully in this video on how you can channel rightly your path and become a trader, so you can become profitability in short while. Watch the video to the end and follow me to the end. All right, everybody. All right, welcome back. So as I said earlier, there is a possibility for you to be gambling and thinking you're trading, and of course, if you're not trading, if you're thinking you're trading, of course, you're thinking you're a trader, perhaps you're gambling. Just there are every possibility for that. There are every tendency for that. You know, you think you're doing wrongly, and perhaps you think, oh, this will sweet journey me. But maybe you're even making money. You may be gambling and gambling and gambling, and yet that gambling is giving you money. I will show you everything. I will tell you. I will show you, so you can redirect your path, because such paths would not guarantee in the long run a profitable journey for you. You might be making the money by the time the market condition turns around. It will favor you again. You know the market condition turns around every 3 weeks or every 4 months. Do you know that? Yes, market condition turns around. Yes, market conditions waves around. This pair might be doing a pattern or some things around in some particular time or 2 weeks. It will move to another pair, and another entirely different pattern will come again. And you know, that's what we call market condition. Market condition can always come around. Mostly in 3 weeks, in 1 month, that condition comes around. That's why you see yourself. Sometimes you just profitable for a while, 1 week, 2 weeks, a while just come, you just have a drawdown. You just keep losing it. Am I not getting it? Is it my strategy? It's not your strategy. That's why you're not getting it wrong. It's just market conditions. That's why people always say, well, stick with your strategy, stick with your whatever you're using. If it's giving you that money, it's giving you that profit, it's giving you that profitability, everything you're doing is giving you just that. A time will come, it will not give you that. Just stay with it. It's normal. That's market conditions. It happens, market conditions. But the fact that you have tested and back tested such strategies and it's giving the result, it's always normal. It's always happen like that. But what will bounce you back and what you help you is your risk management. Am I talking? So that is for that. So I'll be showing you today. You will know if you are actually being a gambler and you really want to take this up yourself. You want to take this as a profession. You want to be trading. You want to be doing this every time. Of course, you want to make it a 9 to 5. Definitely, you should not be gambling. Then you should be trading, so that it can help you in the long run. And of course, your profitability can be sustainable. And of course, you can keep winning often and often all the time. Now, go follow me to the end. Number one thing you should note about if you are gambling or you're just trading, or you're trading, you're truly trading. Now, one thing is what you do not have risk management. One thing is what you do not have risk management. That is to say that you do not even use stop loss. Whenever you enter the market, you don't want to lose. Have you ever been seeing yourself like that? Just enter. I don't want to stop. You don't want to stop loss. You know that everybody has met that kind of conditions. I've gone through that processes before. I have gone through that process where I just want to use stop loss because I don't want to lose. Even though it's a white bias, wrong bias, I don't just want to lose. I'll just set it. Expect it to just go my direction. You just want you to go your direction. Want you to go your bias. You know, you just want, for example, like someone that played a betting Chelsea Arsenal. You know truly well that these guys, I cannot meet these guys. But because they are your team, for example, now I can remember I used to be an Arsenal fan. So I don't play betting actually. I used to be an Arsenal fan. So for example, now then 3-4 years, let me say 4 years, 5 years ago, Man City dealt with Arsenal like crazy, just like like e-goat, you know, dealt with Arsenal like crazy. And imagine me being an Arsenal fan, because I'm an Arsenal fan now. I'm not saying, Man City, I'm not going to carry Arsenal. I will beat Man City. Just a look I'm trying to do. I know that these guys, the record has shown that they flog us 3-1, 5-1, 4, you know. crazily, and then mercilessly. The beating is always much until recently, 2 to 3 years, and Arsenal have been taking themselves off from them now. I've been drawing off and been beating them, been showing them also those shages I've shown them in the past, something like that. Now it's just going like that. Same thing happens. So I'm not trying to be truthful. I'm not trying to be gambling in such manner. I'm not. So I'm not trying to be logical with my gambling. Even when you're gambling, you have to be logical. I'm not talking. You have to be logical in your gambling. So that's exactly what I'm talking about here. So you don't want to lose. You don't want to accept the fact of the market. You don't want to accept that this is what a market of risks and profits. Then get it understood. Anyone that is coming to trading, they don't want to risk something to make money. You are not ready. It's just like someone, you want to come to school, you want to sacrifice, you want to become a medical doctor. What are you risking? You don't know that you're actually risking something. You're wasting your time, your years, your numbers, your time, your years of 6 or 7 years to grow yourself to become a medical doctor. It's not money, but here in the FOREX, you risk what? Currency. It is currency you are risking. You don't risk time, you don't risk years, you don't risk all this. No, you are risking your currency. So you have to come into the market to risk something so I can make something. So whenever you come to the market, you have to how much do I want to risk? I want to risk $100 to make $200. That is it. I want to risk $500 to make $1,000. So you must be able to ascertain yourself. Okay, this is what I want to risk to make this. This is what I want to risk to make this. But if you don't have that you don't have that trading plan, don't have that symbol, and then you just want to enter, just expect to not to go against you. Just go. It might happen. I do not take that. I do not say it will not. It will happen. It might happen. I may not win. Oftentimes, be giving you the profit for months. A time will come when market condition will just change. It will be as if people are following you. But it's not believable. I have been there too. You cannot boycott the market. That's what I say, people. You cannot boycott the market. And many things you may be thinking you want to do to win the market, to boycott the market. You will just keep the stuff might give you an edge for a while. But the time just come, just keep bouncing because of what? Market conditions. Market condition is crazy. Market condition does not go in such a way like that. So you can see that a week can come, a market can just be trending. It's trending. A week can come, it just be consolidating. You just be what? Doing shopping. You just be doing what? Support, resistance. So sweet, so simple and easy for you. Just wow, so easy. It's like this. Well, then the market condition change. You will know what's up. You think it's not so. These are the things that always happen in the market. So it will not become, it will not keep going like that because every day is not smart. It will not keep going in one direction like that, and then you just begin to what? Fooling yourself all around. Am I talking to someone? So if you are not using risk management, or let me break it down, stop loss. If you are not engaging stop losses, you are just trying to, everything must go my direction. I want it to just be going my direction, and it has already been going my direction. You have been winning, you have been passing prosperity, you have been making people. My dear brother, I must tell you this fact, and this for sorry for free. This is not a rightful path to properly to yourself. A time will come, those things will just back condition will change, and it will flood you out. It will flood you mercilessly, and you never worked for you in there. And you keep asking yourself, what am I doing? What's going on? What's it? That is it. So you have to what the pattern, the system of the trading. The trading system is just all about what? I'm coming in to make something so I can make something. It's simple and ABC. You have to have that mind. Someone that have that early mindset, the beginning mindset, to help them in the long run, rather than just what just want to have that mindset at the early stage. I'm coming in to do this, to make sure I can make this. That is number one. Am I talking to someone? Awesome, guys. Do you understand? Let's go to the next one. The next one is what you want: quick money. That Ponzi scheme is just inside of you. You want quick money. You just want it quick. Everything to be quick. Everything to be quick. That's why you see beginners embracing gold a lot. I tell people it's not. You just want to keep because of a good work. Go to just bam, give me that money. Don't make you rush out. It's a time. It takes time. It takes time. So you want quick money. You want just quick. You want to pass performing just quick. It takes that. Those who come to you and say, I pass a performing just one day, pass performing just 2 days, I pass performing just a pair. They have done their assignments. They have done their homework. They have done a lot of work before those things will happen to them. But you that want to start today, you just like someone that enters school today, you want to graduate the next day, you want to do everything. Come on, you have to learn everything. Everything. That's the same thing. You graduated today, next month you want to graduate, you want to do everything. You don't have knowledge yet, you want to become a medical doctor. and you want to graduate the next month, you have not even gone through the courses, the schedules, everything that will make you a medical practitioner. You just can't be choking people with injection that will kill them. Just have been destroying families, killing people all around. You know, that's exactly how it is. It doesn't work like that. So you should not be in a position of want to make it quick. That Ponzi schemes of a thing. Maybe when people come into the mindset that when people come with trading just about Ponzi, a lot. That's why beginners give up a lot. People give up in the journey, and of course, because it takes time. And you see, just keep making small money. Once you can make that money, it's as a chance for you. You don't have to just make that money. No, that journey will give you a larger. That money that can give you $5, $10, $20, will give you $100. Then it come $200. You can go back from $1,000, then that's it. Boom. That's how you get Lambo. That's how it goes. And then from there, so your Lambo comes and everything comes and they need to flow, and you just get to that floating state and then ready to buy easy. That's how it is. That's how it works. It doesn't come overnight. That's how it works. So you should not be bringing that gambling mindset. You should take it off. That gambling mindset, just make money. That gambling mindset is too wrong. And also emphasis on the gold, that many beginners just love to trade gold. I've said it in one of our videos that gold should be avoided at all costs if you're a beginner, because it requires some stringent things that you need to put in place. Go and watch our video above here. I talked about it. If you're a beginner, just avoid it for now. Learn some things, then come back to it, because that same gold will make you the money you needed. Yes, it's good. It's a very fantastic pair. You make you the money you needed, but as a beginner, you haven't understood some things. Avoid it for now. But you don't want to know. You don't want to accept that. That's same gold. You want to use to give it Lalabo. We did that many weeks, many days. You want to use it. You know, by the time you open, I need people to know that gold is even gold 10 pips on normal pair. I've done a video about that. It's 100 pips on gold. You don't know that. That's exactly, you don't know. If you are using 20 pips or 30 pips on other pair, you have just used 30 pips. So you have you need to catch what, you have just used your 300 pips. You need to catch your 600 pips. Though it may move fast in gold, it may not necessarily mean you are using, but the risk reward is key, and then the losses that you need to accord to you if you lose them. So that's 300 pips. So if you don't know how to lot sizing, how to position sizing your account, you will lose it. You don't even know how to sizing up the account. You just open any lot size and you just see your account blow off. Look at it whenever you're trading gold. What blows your account away mostly, and what pairs gives you the win mostly. Stick to that thing. That is what works for you. Some of you gold keep telling you back to the village, and that's it. Gold you still want to. You just complain. Learn, calm down, follow the procedures. This thing will bring you money. Follow the procedures. Am I talking to someone? Follow the procedures. So that is another thing I see that people often, the gambling mindset, want to make money, and first you don't want to follow the procedures. You are so impatient. And market is all about this journey, this industry, this discipline is all about key things that will function you. Everything you have to learn everything. I've noticed that there is no way you can boycott. Everything has to be learned. Everything has to be learned before you can even move to the next. It's just like someone in a school that you don't pass some course, they ask you to you have an FN, it's not even FNG, you have carryover. You notice that course you have to do this again before you can, even though you proceed to the next level, you have to still do them again before you can see what you graduate. That's not like it is. No course you carry on FX, you have to do it again. That is it. If you want to carry the course of impatience, you do them again. Before you can graduate into profitability, you do that impatient again. If you carry that course of business, you do it again. You must be humble. That indiscipline that is inside of you, back to teach you to be disciplined. My goblin mindset, not to take it away from you first. So it's a market is about that. It molds you, takes majorly many things away from us, and give us the mindset of a profitable trader before you can journey into that place. I'm not talking to someone. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you learned one or two things today. If I have any other things to do, I'll throw it out for you guys. For example, for instance, if you're not in our community, you're missing a lot, I want to urge you, and please join us. You look at the link below and join our community. We have a family on Telegram where we drop massive and amazing signals every blessed day. People are milking and making. Today was crazy. Everybody making crazy money, every day. How we do it, and trainings and education like that. And also, don't forget, please subscribe to our channel and subscribe to this channel and let us to grow. Thank you so much for listening to me once again. I remain your man, Sam Aine. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now.